Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear documents or projects and also the data on Capcut. So let's open the Capcut application first on your mobile phone. So if you feel the storage is already full or your cloud is already full, the space is full, so you can clear up the documents, the projects and all the data on your application by delete it one by one your project. For example, try to search the a large one. You can trash the item or the projects, for example, or you can tap a here. You can move to the trash, and also this one, and also you can clear the cache by tap on the setting button at the top of your screen. This one, clear cache, confirm. And also if you feel you want to log out, you want to press a open by app the end info, tap add info and try to search data storage. This one, storage usage. You can clear caching and also clear data here. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.